To grant access on Namecheap, start by logging into your account and navigating to the dashboard section. From there, click on Profile and then select Access Control. This is where you can manage user roles and permissions for your account. Next, click on the Add New User button and enter the email address of the person you want to grant access to. Choose the role you want to assign to this user, such as admin, billing, or tech. Each role has different levels of access and permissions, so make sure to select the one that suits your needs. Once you have added the new user, you will need to configure the permissions for each domain or service. To do this, go to the Domain Manager or the relevant service section and click on the Share Access button. Select the user you just added and choose the permissions you want to grant. It is essential to understand the different types of permissions available, including full access, read-only, and custom permissions. Full access gives the user complete control over the domain or service, while read-only allows them to view but not edit settings. Custom permissions enable you to tailor access to specific needs. When granting access, it is crucial to consider security and limit access to only what is necessary. This will help prevent unauthorized changes or actions on your account. Regularly review and update user roles and permissions to ensure they remain relevant and secure. To revoke access, simply go to the Access Control section, find the user you want to remove, and click on the Delete button. This will immediately remove their access to your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively grant access on Namecheap and manage user roles and permissions for your account. This will enable you to collaborate with others while maintaining control and security over your domains and services.